yonder. Work my hands till they're blistered, bloodied and damned. Walk my feet down the dirt roads, the alleys and the streets. Shine my light down the dark holes, the tunnels and the nights. You know my name, I feel you now. Can you reach me? Will you try? I cross this land, oh, the prairies, the jungle and the sand. I dance these lines through the moonlight, the willow and the pine. I take my time. Take my time with the wild nights, the wonder and the wine. I dream of you and I in the by and by. Can you reach me? It's a foreign tale, and I don't often share this hungry feeling. Still I wear it, and it's mine.